Do you know the story behind the name Mango Mastani? While the drink is certainly interesting, how it got its name is even more so. The story goes that this drink is named after Queen Mastani, who was the second wife of Peshwa Bajirao, a legendary Peshwa ruler. Mastani was an Indian warrior from the Bundela Rajput clan. Now, it's believed that she was an extremely beautiful and brave woman, skilled in arts, literature, and warfare. There are many fascinating stories associated with her. One such story is that Mastani was so beautiful that her skin so delicate and fair that when she would chew a pan, which is a stuffed betel leaf, the red juice from the pan could be seen going down her throat. I find this story very interesting. While no one really knows the main reason for this mango drink being named after her, my guess is that both she and this drink are beautiful to look at. Don't you agree with me?